So hello everyone. Today we have a very interesting problem of piezoelectric material. Basically, this is a problem of a smart material book in the subject of a smart material. So, what is our problem? In a piezoelectric stack means there are many layers of piezoelectric material, so that's why this called as a piezoelectric stack. So a piezoelectric stack actuator, it is working as a actuator, are often preloaded to produce the risks of placing the brittle ceramic in tension. A piezoelectric stack with a free displacement. So a free displacement is 30 micrometer is given, and the stiffness of the this piezoelectric stack is 40 Newton per micrometer, is placed in a housing as shown in the figure. So like this image doesn't contain a figure, but we have like something like this structure. This is a stack, this is a spring, and this is a complete system in which like we are monitoring and we are trying to control the tension of housing by the help of this actuator, right? So is placed in a housing as shown in the figure. So we have to compute the stiffness of the preload. So we have a stack and we have a spring. So stack has its own stiffness and spring has its own stiffness. So the stiffness of the stack is given, and the displacement, right, displacement of 20 micrometer is given. So when the system is work in the tension, so this produces 20 micrometer output displacement. So we have to calculate or determine the stiffness of the preload spring, right? So what we can do, so by the given data we have uh, this one minute. So we have free displacement delta naught, we have a stiffness is stack stiffness, that is the ke, we have a free displacement, and a we have this strain, not the strain but the displacement, right? So we note that the displacement is nothing equal to the free displacement upon 1 plus kly ksc, means ksc is the stiffness of this stack and kn is the stiffness of this spring, right? So this is the formula to determine the displacement of a system of in this piezoelectric system with the spring, right? So we plugging all the values in this formula, like mu is 20 micron, uh, free displacement delta naught is 30 micron, and KSE, that is the stiffness of this tag, is 40 Newton per micrometer. So plugging all these values in this formula. So by this solving this, we get this stiffness of the preloaded spring is 20 Newton per micrometer, right? So that's how we can calculate the unknown parameter by the this given equation, displacement equation of the piezoelectric material, right? And this is our first question, so we have completed our first question. And the second question is the compute the output force of the preloaded stack. So this is the preloaded stack. Suppose uh, here delta u displacement is there, so we all know that the, so we all know that force, what is force? Force is nothing equal to the, force is k multiplied by x. right? We all know that force is the displacement multiplied by the stiffness. So for we know that the KL is the stiffness of this spring. By like the first part, in the first part we calculated the stiffness of the spring. So and we know x is nothing but the displacement, right? So we have 20 micron displacement, and we already calculated the stiffness. So stiffness multiplied by the displacement is the output force F. So multiply by KL multiplied by U is the output force of the preloaded spin in the. So it comes out to be the minus 40 newtons, and minus sign is like for the compression, it is the compression force. So that's why it is minus, it is the compression force. So thank you. In the next videos we will solve the all the problems related to the piezoelectric materials. Thank you.